Hi guys, welcome to the brand new episode of Captain's Corner. Like promised at the start, we will be meeting special people in this episode as well. You'll enjoy this.
I always be your captain.
The bowling group has been gelling together really well. I see, all these fast bowlers talking together, making sure that they communicate what is expected, and also it is important to make sure that these guys gel with the Indian boys really well, and to make sure that when they come here, they feel comfortable as well. We always wanted somebody who can swing the ball up front, and Bolty is someone who can do that and has done that on many occasions wherever he's played. And the same with Pattinson as well. I've seen Pattinson play for Australia. He brings a lot of aggression. He brings pace, into the attack. Some sort of variety that we were looking for. We've got Nathan Coulton as well. There are a few other guys like Dhawal Kulkarni, Mohsin Khan, and all of that. They've been part of MI dressing room before, but this is their fresh year coming back to MI. There's a lot of communication around the squad, which is very, very helpful and makes life easier for all of us. And MI has done a great job in making sure that we have those team bonding sessions where everyone come together. We do that every year. We make sure that at the start of the season we get this bonding session, get-togethers and all of that, just to make sure that all the players are comfortable, they know each other, what sort of mentality or what sort of attitude or what sort of personality an individual has, and eventually when we go onto the field, it helps us. It makes our job easier to get along and make sure that the communication and all of that is happening. So guys, it's time to go and talk to these special people. Let's hear it from them. So guys, like I promised, I'll bring two of the important members of the squad. Murtuza Hussain, one of my closest friends as well. How has it been, Murtu, for you to be part of this team firstly?
I mean, it's an honor to be a part of this team, working out with elite professionals, and I'm enjoying each and every day of my life here.
You guys play a massive role in preparing each one of us. Tell us about your role, how it has been, what do you kind of do here with the players?
I'm mainly here for throwdowns whenever I need some player on an individual level, say like in fielding department or for throwdowns. I always there to help them.
Is there any sort of pressure on you guys, like when you guys are there to help players from A to Z, whoever it is, like do you kind of prepare each one of us differently?
Yes, there is pressure, but I enjoy that pressure. I have noticed all you guys, top order batsmen, they want specific practice. That means I have to throw down on the exact spot. So that we feel sometimes pressure, but that's very, I enjoy that pressure.
I've got another one here, Om Kesh Kamath. Om, tell me first, तुझा एक्सपिरियन्स कसा आहे इकडे झालाय?
जे सर्व प्लेयर्स आहेत इकडे ते खूप प्रोफेशनल आहेत, वरनं सर्व लेजंड्स आहेत क्रिकेट गेमचे. तर सर्व एक इंटेन्शन आणि इंटेंटनी येतात बॅटिंग करायला. त्याच्यामध्ये खूप काय काय करायचं असते त्यांना, जसं शॉर्ट बॉलची प्रॅक्टिस झाली, लेंथ बॉलची प्रॅक्टिस झाली, डेथ बॉलिंग झाली, डेथ बॅटिंगला डेथमध्ये कसं बॅटिंग करणार तसं झालं. तर सर्वांना वेगवेगळ्या तरीकेने बॉलिंग करायला लागतं.
Hardik and Pollard and these guys, when they come to you, they are the power hitters of our team, and they want specific, deliveries bowled at them. So, how challenging it is, and how do you get that right? Because it is important for you also to get it right, right?
So there are many numbers in this sidearm. So you have to pick a number. For suppose I am bowling on 4. So the 4 is ideal length for length ball. If you make it on 3, then it's for shorter one. Then if you make it on 5, then it's for fuller one.
Little fuller, yeah.
So the cup plays the role of the wrist. So if the wrist is upright, then it's fuller. If the wrist is shortened, then it's short ball.
A lot of technique involved in the sidearm as well. It's not easy. These guys do terrific job with us bowling, like I said, with Murtu as well. They are here from the start of the training till we finish, and it's not easy to keep throwing balls at different players with different challenges. This plays a huge part, the stick and these guys, Om Kesh Kamath and Murtuza Hussain.
नमस्कार सर, माझं नाव शाफिन पठाण आहे. मी नागपूरचा आहे. माझा प्रश्न हा आहे की जी नवीन जनरेशन आहे, स्पेशली यूथ क्रिकेटर्स, त्यांना आपण काय मेसेज देऊ इच्छिता?
My advice to any youngster would be to follow his own instinct and be disciplined in whatever he does. As simple as that. I want to keep things very simple for any youngsters growing up and looking for a career, because you can't think too much about and get pressurized. It's important to enjoy whatever you do. The most important thing is to enjoy. The success, and all of that will come slowly. You can't just have everything in one day. So keep following the process. Make sure you trust in that process and have belief in yourself.
Hello sir, I am Arshil Bhutwani from Nagpur. Tell us about your routine before an IPL match.
My routine before IPL match is very simple. I wake up and then I go for breakfast, and then I sit with my wife and we play with Samaira. That's about it. This has been my routine this year. Obviously last year Samaira was very young, so she was not with me most of the time. But now the routine is very similar to what it was during the lockdown. We were together as a family, and then before the game day, we all train as a team together, and I just do my little bit of hitting the ball, making sure that it hits the middle of my bat, and take that confidence into the next day. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Captain's Corner. A lot of insights again from these two guys. These two guys have been very, very important cog in our wheel. They've been helping the team in and out right from the start till now. It's been a great help for all the batters especially. And then we talked about a lot of MI culture, how the team is inside this bubble and what the team is looking forward to. Keep supporting us and keep watching Captain's Corner.